we're really excited to be hosting the Sustainable Food Places Awards for Wales this year. So this is celebrating the work of local food partnerships that are working collaboratively across a place to make that place more healthy and sustainable when it comes to its food. Of all the awards this year across the UK, 40% of them are coming home to Wales. Earlier this year, our team spent over 100 hours talking to food partnerships about what they're achieving, and we heard really inspiring stories of change happening in local areas, things like new supply chains being built between growers and schools, things like putting more good food on people's plates and tackling the cost of living crisis. But what really came through all of this was the people involved, the people behind all of these projects and all of these partnerships, whether that's coordinators or members, are so passionate about their work and so determined to create a better food system for everyone.
It's fantastic to see the progress we're making right across the country, but also now that Wales has a local food partnership in every county, we are seeing action right across the country, and we're doing better in terms of our coverage than other parts of the UK. So much more to do, but the progress and the energy and the actions that are being led by community groups, local councils and others is impressive to see, and it was a pleasure to be part of the ceremony.